Using base 10. Using base of 10. This is the 100ths. Trick. For example, 14 times 12. Step 1. Step 1. Subtract. 10 minus 14 gives you 4. 10 minus 12 gives you 2. Let's not worry about positive or negative numbers. Multiply, step 2. Multiply 4 times 2, which should give you 8. And since this is over 10, step 3. You're going to cross add, which is 14 plus 2, which is 16, or 12 plus 4. Yes, 12 plus 4, which is 16. So answer here, be 168. Do it again. This would be example 1. Let's do it again. 15 times 13. What do we do first? Subtract. And what do you have left over? 5 times 3. 15. Step 1. 15 minus 10. 5. 13 minus 10. 3. Step 2. Multiply. 5 times 3. 15. Carry the 1. Step 3. Cross add. Which would be 15 plus 3, 18, or 13 plus 5, 18, plus carry over. So 18 plus 1, 19. You try. 17 times 12. 14. Oops. Times 13. 15 times 15. 19 times 19. 17 times 15. 13 times 18.
It's 6:15.
15 times 15. All teens can have this method. 18 times 18. 19